Welcome back to a quick get ready with me. I'm starting with the Volumizing Phantom Lip Gloss by Hourglass in the shade Haze. And I'm just going to shake up my sunscreen now. This is the Traceless Mineral Sunscreen by Beauty Pie. It is moisturizing and it leaves a beautiful glow. It is meant for SPF and priming. And I'm just going ahead and getting that into the skin really well. Next up, we're going to be applying our complexion product for the day. It's the Estée Lauder Futurist Skin Tint Serum. I am in the shade 6W1 Sandalwood. I really appreciate this dropper and now the Say Big brush to apply it to the face. I like the pouncing format of applying my foundation. I don't like to swipe, and this brush does a wonderful job at helping me to do that. Just blending that in some more. Taking a look, making sure everything looks good. Going over the eyes. Now we're taking the Natasha Denona Concealer and Correcting Concealer. The correcting shade is C5, which I'm applying here on the face and underneath the eye. I'll then take my Bobo Chikuhodo concealer brush and blend that product out. As you can see, it blends the product very nicely, very evenly. Those spots are acne scars, so I don't want to go too heavy with the corrector, just enough to make them disappear a touch. I'm not looking for perfection, just an even skin tone. So as you can see, I'm applying a little bit more there on that really dark spot. Now continuing to blend on the face. I'm gonna go under the eyes with it as well. The brush is very soft. It is made of weasel bristles. Taking that right over the lid with no problem at all. I have very sensitive skin and this brush is perfect. It is still available at Fude Bobo and I will be sure to link it in the description box for you. Continuing to blend out and over the eye as well. All right, showing you all the color correction and going back over it with some more of that skin tint serum just to even out the skin tone. Now this Say Big brush is a synthetic brush, but you see that it does a very good job at blending the product. I'll make sure to link it also in the description box for you. Now to conceal, using the Natasha Denona concealer, the High Glam concealer in the shade P8, going under the eye with that same Chikuhodo Bobo weasel brush, and you can see that it just blends it out beautifully. I really love this blend that I'm getting here. Nice, smooth, even. Showing you all the difference. And going back over that next eye. I've really been enjoying this new concealer brush. I've never had this type of concealer brush. Now going in with my Amicole On Point Precision Brow Pencil to fill in my brows. This is my Holy Grail brow product. I use this 95% of the time when grooming my brows. It is in the shade 1B. And I do have a code for the Amicole website. It is SUNSERE15, where you can save 15% off. Now going in with the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Edit in the Lotus version. Just taking that finishing powder with the Sonia G Buffer Pro. Now on to bronzing with Vive's Modern Bronze in the shade Deep. I'm taking my Chikuhodo F09 right into that powder and onto the face. Just look at that color. The tone of this bronzer is so beautiful. I think it may overtake my Victoria Beckham. Back into Hourglass, we're taking my Chikuhodo cheek brush into the Red O blush. I love this blush, you guys. It is such a pretty tone. Look at that. Now onto the Natasha Denona Mini Eye Sculpt in the brown shade, just to give that natural flush to the eye. It's a perfect one and done shade. And with Sonia's T6, it's magic. YSL Lash Clash Mascara, personalized with my name on it. I love it. It's a beautiful mascara. Just look at what it does to these lashes. And that's the final look. If you haven't already, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, comment, like, and share.